Our corporate workplace is no less than a jungle because of the way some people at workplace behave exactly like animals. Today we are going to talk about 9 animals with whom we can associate the behaviors of these people who closely relate in terms of the psychology of these animals. So let's look at these animals one by one. The first animal on the list is a horse. Horse, often termed as workhorse, these are the people who contribute immensely within the organization. They are silent contributors. So if they decide to quit the company, usually most people panic in the organization. Unfortunately, about these people, they do not really focus on taking the credit nor they brag about it, which means other people try and take their credit. The second animal on the list is a snake. They are also termed as the silent politicians. They speak very softly, they move very slowly, and often they know each and everything that's happening within the organization. They have a good network. They never attack directly, however, they may influence the situation behind the scenes. They are usually known for their information and not for their work. Third on the list is a scorpion, also known as stingers. They look normal, however, one small misunderstanding and then they sting really bad. They might send an email to HR, they might escalate it to your boss, and they might fight back. Usually, they do not involve themselves in other people's agenda. However, when they do, then it's a damaging effect. The next animal on the list is the jackal. They are clever opportunists. They are smart, they are very sharp. You'll never find them emotional nor very stressed. They know when to change their sides as well. So you'll always find them very happy and they do not take any kind of tension. Vultures are emotional scavengers. They feed off your fear, failures, and insecurities. They themselves never create any opportunity. However, they wait for your opportunity to fade away or to slip away. And the moment that happens, they'll always be there to take the credibility and your opportunity for their own advantage. The bear, they're also known as aggressive dominators. They walk the floor as if they own the place. They get the work done because of their pressure, because of the force. However, people do not respect them. The owl, they're also known as the silent observers. These are the hidden geniuses. They talk less, work quietly, but they notice everything in the organization. Their opinions secretly drive decisions. They are silent leaders, the ones who everyone looks up to. The parrots, also known as show offs, they are always visible, always loud, always performing for attention. Whether work happens or not, the storytelling surely does. They rise faster in the organization because of their ability to be visible all the time. The last one is the dog. They are often termed as the loyals or loyalists. These individuals, they support everyone, they protect the team, stand with the company, and never create drama. They are always dependable, reliable, and mostly underappreciated. The office would collapse without them. However, nobody says it though.